So I have finally, after a week, figured out how to make this completely silent. Yep. Because, I don't know, but I have really good hearing, and there's one noise that really annoys me, and that is the noise of running water. I went on vacation years ago, and we spent one night in Quebec in a bed and breakfast, and it was so hot that you had to have the windows open. There was no air conditioning, and beside the place we were staying, there was a stream. And you could hear the water running through the stream. And it drove me crazy. I did not sleep at all. I stayed awake all night because of the water running. So when I first installed this, I put it together, and you could hear the water trickling down. And first I had it there. That was not good because that's, steps from my bed. And then I moved it all the way over here. But I can still hear it, or I could still hear it. So after a week, having bought it a week ago, I thought, okay, this is time to do the first cleaning. And I went online, I read the instructions, all that stuff. I cleaned it thoroughly and I put it back together. And I realized I'd forgotten it was running, and I thought, And then I realized I'd forgotten the spout. So I put the spout back. It doesn't really need a spout, does it? Anyway, maybe they'd like it better without the spout. I don't know. Anyway, I put the spout on, and I thought, wait a minute, and I pushed it farther into its opening. And now it doesn't make any noise. So it's the water falling from a higher level. If it falls from a lower level, then there's less chance of it making that gurgling noise. And it is not making the gurgling noise. So there, ta-da, I fixed it. Yes, I fixed it. Okay, I'm just making my coffee now. Yes, we've already played, and that's enough play for now. I found something that Julia really likes. She loves being tossed about. Like swinging and being tossed about. Who knew? Who knew that Julia was such a playful creature? I really wanted to vacuum today, but it's raining. It's raining more today than it did yesterday. And I'm not going for a walk. Nope. So I decided to do I thought, wait a minute, I haven't done any laundry this week. What's wrong with you? See, having someone home all week throws me off. She wasn't home yesterday, but I still. And the dog. yeah, that too. Yeah, so I have some laundry in. And I looked through my cupboard and I realized there were some some detergent, some really old detergent bottles there. I thought, why do you have these? They clutter up and all you use is this. Why do you have these Woolite? And so I read the labels carefully, and I thought, okay, use it today, use it up, get rid of it, and then you can go back to your pods. So I have one dark, and I have one all colors. Is that okay? Don't use it for the whites, but you could use it for all that. And then it'll be gone and won't be filling up the cupboard unnecessarily. So that is done. Anyway, I cleaned things up in the cupboard. There was stuff there that didn't need to be. There was an extra this and an extra this, so I put it all together. Yeah. I have so much space. It doesn't need to be, you know, when you close a cupboard and it doesn't close completely because you didn't move things around inside properly? Yeah, that's what happened. So I did that. So fix the water fountain? Yes. Clean the water fountain? Yes. Emailed them because they offered to give me 12 extra filters for free. I went, yeah. So I emailed them and asked them for extra filters for free. And that's that. That's as much as I've done today. I made my bed. I've done lots. Just haven't vacuumed. I could vacuum myself. I could. But the fountain, that pleases me. Because good hearing. I hear it. Doesn't matter where. I moved it from one spot to another, and I was thinking of moving it to another spot, and then it came to me. No, don't do it. You know, actually, it would be better in another spot. It would be better. I think it would be. I mean, yes, because I don't think moving it would reduce the noise, because I have too good hearing, and this area is conducive to bouncing the sound around. But I think that if I move it to that, because it's too close to the fireplace, and if I actually run the fireplace, I feel guilty about warming up their water. So I'm going to move it to the other corner. One more move, guys. They seem to be, excuse me. Yeah, get off there. This is not a bridge. She says, yes, it is. I just use it. Yes. Okay, good. Where's the closest outlet? Because they put outlets regularly yeah, there's one exactly there. Okay, I will put it there. So I will, do I have to move the plant at all? No, it's wide enough. Yep, it's completely wide enough for that little rug. And put it there. I can actually, no. Yeah, I can put it there. Put it there. Yeah, I'll put it there. Okay, good. Gonna do that now.